The Emirate of Abu Dhabi, accounting for approximately 87% of the total land area of the Federation. Abu Dhabi also has the second largest population of the 7 Emirates. In June 2011, this was estimated to be 2,120,700 people, of which 439,100 people were Emirati citizens. The city of Abu Dhabi, after which the emirate is named, is both the capital of the emirate and federation. In the early 1970s, two important developments influenced the status of the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. The first was the establishment of the United Arab Emirates in December 1971, with Abu Dhabi as its political and administrative capital. The second was the sharp increase in oil prices following the October 1973 war, which accompanied a change in the relationship between the oil countries and foreign oil companies, leading to a dramatic rise in oil revenues. Abu Dhabi's gross domestic product account for the largest contribution to GDP. Construction-related industries are the next largest contributor. GDP grew to 911.6 billion United Arab Emirates dirhams in 2012, or over 100,000 United States dollars per capita. In recent times, the Emirate of Abu Dhabi has continuously contributed around 60% of the GDP of the United Arab Emirates, while its population constitutes only 34% of the total UAE population according to the 2005 census. Dhabi is the Arabic name of a particular species of native gazelle that was once common in the Arabian region. Abu Dhabi means father of Dhabi. It is thought that this name came about because of the abundance of gazelles in the area, and a folk tale involving Sheikhbud bin Diab al Nahyan. Parts of Abu Dhabi were settled millennia ago, and its early history fits the nomadic herding and fishing pattern typical of the broader region. The emirate shares the historical region of Al-Burami Atawam with Oman, and is demonstrated to have been inhabited for over 7,000 years. Modern Abu Dhabi traces its origins to the rise of an important tribal confederation, the Bani Yas, in the late 18th century, which also assumed control of Dubai. In the 19th century, the Dubai and Abu Dhabi branches parted ways. Into the mid-20th century, the economy of Abu Dhabi continued to be sustained mainly by camel herding, production of dates and vegetables at the inland oases of Al Ain and Liwa, and fishing and pearl diving off the coast of Abu Dhabi city, which was occupied mainly during the summer months. Most dwellings in Abu Dhabi city were, at this time, constructed of palm fronds, with the wealthier families occupying mud huts. The growth of the cultured pearl industry in the first half of the 20th century created hardship for residents of Abu Dhabi as pearls represented the largest export and main source of cash earnings. In 1939, Sheikh Sheikhbud bin Sultan Al Nahyan granted petroleum concessions, and oil was first found in 1958. At first, oil money had a marginal impact. A few low-rise concrete buildings were erected, and the first paved road was completed in 1961. But Sheikh Shakbat, uncertain whether the new oil royalties would last, took a cautious approach, preferring to save the revenue rather than investing it in development. His brother, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, saw that oil wealth had the potential to transform Abu Dhabi. The ruling Nahyan family decided that Sheikh Zayed should replace his brother as ruler and carry out his vision of developing the country. On August 6, 1966, with the assistance of the British, Zayed became the new ruler. With the announcement by the UK in 1968 that it would withdraw from the area of the Persian Gulf by 1971, Sheikh Zayed became the main driving force behind the formation of the UAE. After the Emirates gained independence in 1971, oil wealth continued to flow to the area, and traditional mud brick huts were rapidly replaced with banks, boutiques and modern high-rises. The United Arab Emirates is located in the oil-rich and strategic Arabian or Persian Gulf region. It adjoins the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Sultanate of Oman. Abu Dhabi is located in the far west and southwest part of the United Arab Emirates along the southern coast of the Persian Gulf between latitudes 22 degrees 40 and around 25 degrees north and longitudes 51 degrees and around 56 degrees east. It borders the Emirate of Dubai and Emirate of Sharjah to its north. The total area of the emirate is 67,340 square kilometers in height, in some areas southwards. The eastern part of the emirate borders the western fringes of the Hajar Mountains. Hafit Mountain, Abu Dhabi's highest elevation, and Sol Mountain, rising 1,100 to 1,400 meters, is located south of Al Ain city. Land cultivation and irrigation for agriculture and forestation over the past decade has increased the size of green areas in the emirate to about 5% of the total land area, including parks and roadside plantations. About 1.2% of the total land area is used for agriculture. A small part of the land area is covered by mountains, containing several caves. The coastal area contains park,